Let's make jean pillows. Take an old pair of jeans. You can see I cut the leg off. Then I got a old pillow there. We're gonna take that old pillow and fold it in half and stuff it inside these jeans here. Got my sewing machine out, y'all. Gonna take the sewing machine and you're gonna stitch right here, and then we're gonna stitch across here, and then we're gonna come back and like plug this middle part together and stitch, and I'll show y'all when we get there. Okay, we got our shorts all sewed across the leg over here, and we're gonna fold them in like this. And you can see we got that extra piece. We're gonna go ahead and get that cut off. So like this, we're gonna cut all of that off across there. So we got that piece cut off. This is the piece we cut off. And this is what we're left with. So we're gonna take this and fold this across this way, gang. Inward. And we wanna, so you wanna take and fold in, and y'all can see that's our middle. So you wanna sew across here. Okay. We got our shorts sewed across there. We got it sewed across there. And now we got it sewed across down the middle. Okay, and we're gonna flip them inside out and get our pillow folded in half and stuffed in there. Be right back. Alright, we got our pants all stuffed with the pillow. As y'all can see, I just folded it in half, and that is how it's looking. Make sure you push your pockets down. And then we're going to take some safety pins and pin the top parts together so that we can get it all sewed up, y'all. So I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like once it's safety pinned for the sewing. Okay, this is how we're looking, all pinned up and ready for sewing. So I'll show y'all a side angle. See, I got the top pin. And then we're gonna take this little curved needle here and some string out of our jar, and we're gonna get this top part sewed up. I'll be back to show y'all how it looks.